The Southern Alps of New Zealand, a magical landscape of rocky peaks and glistening snow and ice. It's an alpine adventure playground and home to Mount Cook, New Zealand's highest and most majestic mountain. Mount Cook can be admired from much of the South Island. There are thousands of great vantage points, but the most spectacular is the view from above. And unless you have wings, you'll need some help getting there. Scenic helicopter flying. It's the perfect way to explore this alpine wonderland. The helicopter line can take you to places you've only ever dreamed of going. They offer a great variety of flights from their base at Glen Tanna and are so central to Mount Cook National Park that in less than an hour you can see all the sights the Southern Alps are famous for.
The site is awesome. Huge frozen pinnacles and crevasses. It's like a city of ice. It's spectacular. And the best part is, very soon I'm going to be walking amongst it.
After skirting past peaks and soaring over ravines, we head for the highlight of the trip. Landing on a snowy blanket surrounded by rugged terrain. It's the perfect place to admire the magic of Mount Cook.
Fantastic. I'm up here at 7,500 feet. It's so still and peaceful here. In this environment, you feel quite insignificant.
For some, it's the first chance to touch real snow. This is the reason visitors come to New Zealand, to marvel at its scenic splendour. And what better way to see it than from the country's highest peaks? If you think that nothing could top this experience, think again. The helicopter line has bases all over the country, offering a great range of adventures. There's something for everyone, from sombre sightseers to over-the-top adrenaline junkies. And if you can't decide which trip to take, just pick a combo. The chance to plunge, jump, fly and speed around the south, all in one day.